when we were looking for the door online, we found a couple companies, but nobody really satisfied the needs that we needed until we found this door. And it's been really useful, especially for Gromit, who's 14 years old. He picked it up pretty quick. It's the youngsters that are about 1 year and 3 months that took some time. What's up, Gromit? I'm gonna be honest, my wife told me.
Okay, she sounds so good.
My wife is the one that actually researched it. And my wife actually reads the reviews. And then she also sees as far as the quality of the product, where it's manufactured. And then that's what really makes her decision. Because she deals with a lot of contractors, so she kind of knows the ins and outs of everything. And she just wanted something that was simple, but that would be functional for the dogs, yeah. Yeah, because Maui and Sicily literally run. Like, they run out and they run in, and they'll go around the bush, then go around the sofa. Like, they do a whole track all the way around.
Oh, what do I have? Look what I have. Oh, wow.
We were able to find a heavy-duty door because these two guys, they're like F1. They're running around, chasing each other. They'll zigzag through the bushes, run back in, go around the center island. They'll go around they have a track that goes around a little pace. It goes around the L sofa. So they race around and then they come back to the island. They come back, they go this way, they go to the bush. They're like constantly running around.
They're racing Datsuns.
They're racing. They'll even jump off the couch. I mean, they're not supposed to because of their backs.
Yeah.
But we're like trying to tell them, don't use the little steps. But they launch themselves from the couch, and they love being on top to get a full view of everything. Now we could just leave the door that way, and then that way they could come in and out as they please. They have a habit of every time we're gonna sit down and eat, that's when they want to come outside. I have a feeling, especially Gromit, as soon as he sees us grab our plates and go, he like comes to the door, he starts barking because he wants to get out. And eventually they get comfortable where they're okay with the flap.
Sure.
I think it's just due to them, and they're kind of worried about it.
I think with us here too, it's more challenging. So
I think once they see Gromit come in and out, they'll get the gist of it. But other than that, he'll go in.
Make it. Oh.
Come on, Gromit. You got it. You got it. Good boy, Gromit.
So would you recommend your friends to us?
Oh, yeah.
Our website?
Definitely, once they get a hang of it, we'll be able to tell our neighbors because they have dogs too. There's several people that walk their dogs. Yeah. So it's just a matter of once they get used to it and then they happen to come by or whatever, we can show them the door. Because I think it's better if you show somebody the door instead of trying to explain the door to them. Because the concept really isn't there. So if you actually show them and they see it, they can see it's heavy duty. They can see the difference. Yeah. Yeah, you guys are down to earth. I mean, yes, you're here to work. However, you're enjoying yourself. You guys are kidding around, smiling, enjoying them. So that to me says a lot. Oh, I'm grateful for the treats and the toys. I mean, they love playing with toys. And as you notice right away, they destroy toys right away.
Well, thank you very much for your order.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Thank you for your help.
And for your testimony. We really appreciate it.
It was a pleasure.
Be sure to get your screen doors at blindandscreen.com.
Great guys, great product.
Give that video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.
We'll see you guys
Comment. If you have any questions, ask Hayden. Put them in the comments. Take care. God bless. Catch you next time.
later, guys.
Go. You too, go. Come on. Huh? He thinks you have. He's ready, dude. He's ready. We're gonna do it by himself. He's like, let me in, man. Let him go. There he goes.
Oh my goodness, he's got it. He's
got it. All right.
Hey, you.
Yay!
I don't have anything.
I think he'll teach them. He will teach them. Yeah.